I need to stop. I can't help it, alright?
It's National Horty Day. You get a pass.
I'm sorry. It's national.
Egg quarters. She's in his fucking bedroom.
Whoa. Starting off a little spicy today. Welcome back to Sonic Adventure 2, where we're back with Rouge again.
I'm going to have to find that key first.
Cue the smooth music. Why did I have to open my mouth? There's loud beeping.
Yep.
But yeah, this is her version of the... Instead of the death chamber...
Now. Gamma clubs.
Instead of the death chamber, it's the egg quarters.
Ooh. Golden Condor. Oh, dude, I hated those monkeys.
Oh, me too. You get to blow them up for fun in the first one.
Dude.
Was that a beetle that we just ran by?
I said I didn't even see. Extreme.
That key. Off to a good start.
And a treasure chest.
Alright, some decent hints.
Oh, it is a beetle. A beetle camera. Oh my god.
Jesus.
I don't know.
Those beetles, dude. Oh my god. I gotta tell you about when I was playing Xenoblade 2 real quick. I was going through this one level, Tantal. It was like the icy mountain place. And there's parts where you're running through, and there's giant beetles like bigger than that will pop out and like surprise you.
Oh, I think I kind of remember that, dude.
And me being the weenie that I am, I freaking flinched so hard. At a beetle in a video game?
I can't wait till I play Phasmophobia.
Oh my god. I'm not even scared of bugs, but just because he popped out, I was like, whoa!
Oh, is that it up top? On top of the head up there? Or am I crazy?
I was like, god damn it, dude. Those beetles. Those stupid beetles. They wait until you're at the edge of the cliff. They wait for you. Oh!
Yeah.
Hello, Mr. Toucan Sam.
That's the sound a parrot makes.
Toucan Sam. Whoa, no, not the ghost again.
Yeah, I wonder who the boss is gonna be. If it's gonna be that stupid fucking ghost again.
I need to watch our reaction to that again. That was so good. Yeah, there haven't been that many fights yet.
Oh, there it is. Nice. Jamming.
Only one more. You see, she didn't make the weird moaning sound.
You're right, she isn't. I guess she only wanted to in the dry lagoon.
Oh, I see. I had to solve that problem. But now that she's in the egg I hate everything. Star's probably so done with us. Does she get a air device? Well, she's got two.
Two flotation devices.
I need to stop. I can't help it, alright?
It's National Horty Day. You get a pass.
I'm sorry. It's national. He buys the game in it. We only got one more key, guys. We could do it. And by we, I mean Star. Cue the voice, Avy.
Pick nails. You can dig into the ground or walls. Select dig in the action window. Or simply press the B button when you're in the air or on a wall.
Totally not Knuckles' dig move. I wonder if we'll need this for the new key.
That one was super specific hint, dude.
They really want you to use your new power. Uh-oh. The big beetles! That's another reason I really want you to play Wind Waker, AB. There's a merchant named Beetle, and he is the greatest character in the history of Zelda.
Oh no.
He's so stupid.
It's above, it says. Oh,
Eh.
nice.
All right. Good time.
How was that? Perfect?
Wow.
Me?
Bye-bye. All right. Onwards. It's time to hack into Eggman's Twitter.
It's a space transporter. The destination has been set to Ark. Wasn't that space colony shut down over 50 years ago? What's he doing up there anyway? Doesn't matter. It's my mission to find out what he's up to.
Why did you just twirl like that?
And we're gone. Back to Eggy Boy.
So this is the space colony Ark. I have
This is already his third stage.
a control room that Shadow
Yeah, this is going by way faster.
We've only had that one fight against the totally not Bigfoot.
Yeah, that's it, huh? A lot of
We're
bosses.
already in
That's
space
where the
here.
bosses.
True. Well, we gotta make this place ours, so that's why everything still wants to kill us.
It's also not lit up.
Oh yeah.
It's been abandoned, I guess.
It's
like they said.
spookier. Oh god, I remember the green zappies.
The green goop.
The Mountain Dew that killed Star.
I think these stages are my least favorite
Oh yeah?
of the bunch, yeah.
Like, it's funny, a lot of people like to hate on the... Oh,
Jet engine.
first-
This allows you to hover when you hold down the A button during a jump.
A lot of people love to hate on the Emerald stages where you gotta collect
Really?
stuff. But, like, because they find it tedious or
My
time-consuming. But,
favorite.
like, I find it chill, you know?
I like those.
Those stages also get, like, the best songs.
Yeah, exactly.
Obviously, a lot of people are going to say they love the Sonic and Shadow stages because they're classic 3D gameplay.
Yeah.
These ones, what happened to me with these stages is, like, especially as you're seeing here, they feel really drawn out.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking. They just feel long for no reason.
That's why I'm like, with these stages, is the perfect opportunity to just ramble.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Although I do kind of like how this one is dark and it gets lit up as you go along.
That is neat. And, like, the Tails one, like, one of the last ones was interesting where he couldn't, like, rapid fire everything
Yeah.
with the holes in the wall. It's like these stages are they're the slowest for sure.
Yeah.
Somehow even slower than the Finding Emeralds, because at least you can zip around. And I'm sure for people that like to come back and like replay stages, like it'd be cool to find the emeralds in different spots when you play again.
True, true.
That's another reason those stages are better.
Extreme.
Red.
There's Big. I see him.
Oh my god.
He's just fucking chilling.
He's like, I got to the colony before you. What a guy.
He's gonna be the final boss. The actual final boss.
When you complete the hero and dark story is when the big story happens.
The hell?
Use that hover, baby. Who shot that?
I don't know, dude. He just got sniped.
Spooky. You're gonna turn around and there's a big beetle right there. Oh yeah, you gotta blast through. I used to love spamming the hover for that reason. I'm like, I need to have some fun in this level.
Go.
Get those freaks out of the way. Yosh!
B. Nice.
Keeping it consistent. It's time to finally see what tweets he's been hiding.
I've been waiting for you, Doctor. Now, I will show the glorious achievement of what the world's leading scientist, Professor Gerald, has created.
Gerald.
Gerald.
Space colony created by mankind. Not many people know that the Ark contained a top secret.
My god, it is Xenoblade.
Where weapons of mass destruction were being created. This is one of them. A weapon capable of destroying an entire planet. Codenamed
Penis laser.
Cannon.
Oh, sorry.
Destroying an entire planet. Was this my grandfather's legacy?
Oh, his grandpa was Gerald.
Mm-hmm. Uncovering the lost technology.
Activate it. Large amounts of energy are necessary.
Oh, so that's why we needed the Chaos Emerald.
Exactly. To reactivate the machine, we need the 7.
Did Eggman just hit this Fumi star?
Once you have that,
I think he did.
the ultimate power of destruction to use as you please. And then, the world could be yours.
Wow.
Sounds like a plan. I like the way you think, Shadow. I will get the Chaos Emeralds, use the machine to dominate the world and build a
Do you
legacy of
really
my
think
own.
it will be that easy?
Oh.
I'm in space too.
That's
I think that's like the only time she actually is a bat.
what I was about to say, actually. Acting like a bat.
Deal?
Well, actually, she was acting like a bat in the egg chambers,
You said
probably.
something about a reaction.
Stuck in.
A reaction that is
God, can't you see there's world dominating plans happening?
I may be able to help you. What do you think?
I do.
Right, they didn't even meet until now.
Where the other Chaos Emeralds may be. It may not look like it, but do you know that I am a treasure hunter that specializes in all kinds of jewels?
She was asking a question there, but then it ended in a statement.
Okay then, it's a deal. I don't think we've been introduced.
I'm Boobs the Bat.
But you can call me Rouge.
Interesting. Prison.
Meanwhile,
Having to come back isn't my idea of a vacation. How can you be sure your intelligence reports are correct? Why would the Chaos Emeralds be here on the island? Are you absolutely sure?
Well, believe what you want to believe.
Very well. Very well. Let's discuss how we are going to do this.
very well.
I will go in first and distract the military troops, allowing you to sneak in the base without being detected.
Oh, this is when he gets his ass beat by Tails, huh?
Shadow will enter the armory, where he will set the time.
Now everybody's meeting up on this island.
Once that is in place, we will blow up the whole island and get away before anyone has a chance to know what hit them.
Shadow have a constant smirk on his face.
Sneak into the cargo and grab the Chaos Emerald.
It's to maintain the edge.
Such a worthy treasure hunter as yourself, isn't it, Duck Girl? We only have 30 minutes to pull this mission off. And we'll
You hear that, Star? You only get 30 minutes.
trail me.
We're playing as Eggman again.
Really? Back to back?
Alright, Star, get a big fat juicy combo here.
Nice.
He's got a B rank to maintain.
True.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh.
I hope no one will mind if we just,
You missed one. Oh, no,
Oh.
you missed 3, 4.
automatic D rank.
Unbelievable.
I love that every time we say something, Eggman replies with, yo, it's time to I'm here too, looking for the emeralds.
I didn't even see him, dude.
It's like, I beat you back from space again. Like you said, that's why he's the ultimate villain, because he's always watching.
Yep, he's always there.
One step ahead.
Large cannon. Vulcan cannon power up. You can now break iron containers that you couldn't break before.
You give it the old boom bassa boom.
But not the dark ones.
No, those are way too... Oh my god, could you lock onto the plane there?
Yeah, I think he did.
Jeez. This whole game is just a demonstration of how shitty the military is.
Pretty much. Oh! You got fucking sniped, dude.
Well, once again, the Brando curse strikes.
You get sniped out of the air like a Skullchilla does.
Oh yeah.
Those bastards.
They are awful in Skyward Sword, dude. Oh my god.
Yeah.
They're like a two-step. You gotta slash them a bunch and then perform a finisher.
Damn.
They like fall on their underbelly and you go in for the stab.
Uh-oh, sorry. I don't know if this is looking like a B rank to me.
Ugh.
Oh, definitely not anymore.
Oh no.
See you later, B rank.
The military's stepping it up.
Yeah, by making Eggman commit suicide.
It was too much to hit. He's like, Skyward Sword! Woof. I'm pretty sure that same jump got me, because the dude comes out of nowhere.
Yeah, it does.
No warning.
What's that? Whenever you spam it, or
Just the regular.
the heck?
I'm sure we'll find Amy around here somewhere being useless.
You know, I just realized whenever Eggman's holding on to those pulley systems, he's literally holding the suit up with his fucking leg.
You're right. Hopefully we get to see it one more time. Big juicy combo.
Radical.
We love to see it. Perfect. Da, 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 da.
Yo.
Oh, he's waiting for you. But it wasn't enough. I don't even remember how long these levels are, dude. I know they get pretty wild. It's more of a nuisance than anything, though, with the enemies just spawning.
Yeah. Yeah, these courses get old fast for me.
Yeah. It's like there's not much else they can do to shake it up, right? They're like, oh, now your cannon can break these.
Yeah, look at that, dude.
Oh my god, Eggman.
Holding up with only his arms. Got that upward body strength.
You know, I took him for granted with that shape. Especially after seeing him run.
I guess he's a fucking super sad dude. 300 IQ and upward body strength of a gorilla.
Gotta watch that HP. He's about to
Oh, there it
demonstrate
is.
that gorilla strength in the very next stage.
Let's see if he somehow managed to clutch out the B rank.
He did get a lot of combos.
Oh,
Ooh.
dang. You hate to see it.
It was a good try, Star, but those pesky robots.
Okay, everyone ready? Shadow, Rouge, on with the show.
Oh, Sonic! I thought I'd never
Oh my god, Amy. Excuse
National
me?
Horny Day.
You're not Sonic! Who are you?
I'm the one who should be asking.
Why are you mad at him? You hugged him out of nowhere. Oh my god, he's black! Oh no!
Oh my god, dude. She's so useless.
Sweet, sweet, oh, so sweet. But here comes Tails to save the day. It's time to beat Tails into the ground.
Get away with this!
He's gonna fly
Show him what
high
you're
all the
made
way
of.
to fucking heaven.
Yeah, where's Sonic now, Tails?
Oh my god, dude. Look at this gameplay.
Better luck next time, Fox Boy.
Better luck next time, fuck boy.
Oh,
This,
no,
I
we gotta see
hate this
the end.
level, but I love the music.
Tell me when.
You'll see why in about 3 seconds.
My end. There's no more time to waste. Set the timer for 15 minutes. Let's go, Rouge.
5 minutes should be plenty. Here I go.
No, it's not!
Oh, it's time.
But the level is huge and the emeralds are still spread out.
Oh gosh.
This level is stress, dude. Star's gotta move. It's very, very infamous. This one, I lost a lot of lives to this one, dude. I mean, the music slaps, but then there goes the fun you were having exploring, because now you gotta stress.
True. Well,
5 minutes is
game
strict.
over?
Instant death if you run out of time. You gotta restart from the first emerald. And I don't think it's always the same spot when you die.
Really?
I can't remember.
There it is.
Nice. There's dollar bills flying. God, hopefully the radar goes off again.
Nice.
Good, 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 good.
Uh oh, I think that was it. Oh, purple. Nice.
Perfect.
One more left.
Show this level who's boss. For a first timer, there's so much to explore.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Perfect.
Kick this horse's ass, dude.
Good, good, good.
It might be the shortest Rouge level yet.
Indeed.
There's the Brando course for you. Every time Brando says something's gonna be difficult, it ends up being easy.
I know. The only time it's worked is on that Sonic level.
Yeah.
I'm
Done.
glad he's crushing it, though.
Danger done.
Rouge, you could have had 15 minutes and you turned it down.
There it is. Nice.
Let's go! Get out of this place. I don't want to see it.
Is that her breath in the air?
How is that?
Was
Nice.
it really that cold?
Like me?
I guess so.
Next. But you know, the 5 minutes don't matter here all of a sudden.
Just to fail.
Oh my gosh, another robot.
This time,
Flying dog? What?
I don't know either. You know, let's just completely forget the timer. We gotta go bully the government some more. Oh. Meow.
Oh my gosh, she's in your ass.
The flying dog. He can be annoying. Now that I opened my mouth, he did it. See, this is the trick, AV. I saw that star got hit twice, so I had to step up to the plate. I can only think of like that security one I was waiting for, and then the final level as usual.
Yeah,
This game just goes by so fast.
it does. Close the security door.
Uh-oh.
He's ready to kill himself with you.
The Sonic games are so dark. This will be perfect for the fanfic I'm writing.
Done all right.
Alright, now, there's no time to dance. Get out of here.
This is Rouge. I've got a small problem. I can't believe that I'm trapped inside this locked safe with a Chaos Emerald. I guess I won't be able to call myself a treasure hunter anymore.
Oh, no.
Bum bum.
What would Maria do? Find out in the next episode, viewers, with Shadow's decision. See you then.